Hello, I'm Alexandra Jones, the editor of The Ophthalmologist, and I'm here today with Shervin Korangy, President and CEO of BVI. We're here to talk about BVI, the company's innovation and its vision for the future. So, first of all, could you tell me about BVI and the company's mission?
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks for having me and great to be here. As one of the fastest growing diversified surgical ophthalmology companies in the world, our vision is refocusing the future of vision. We have a purpose-built portfolio that spans, over 100 countries. We are a comprehensive solution provider for ophthalmic surgery in certain therapeutic areas today that we participate in. And we invest very heavily in our product development as well as external investments to continue to lead the market with innovative technologies. We really strive to build our strategy and our culture around being nimble, entrepreneurial, and we think that really sparks innovation and it keeps a focus on really for us, which is the most important, customer needs and patient needs.
From your point of view as President and CEO of BVI, where do you see the company in the future, let's say in the next 5 years?
Yeah, it's a wonderful question. I mean, we as a business always think about a multi-year plan for our company. We don't believe that we will be successful if we think about things in a shorter time frame. So we always have a 3 to 5 year view of the world. We invest in that way. We build our teams in that way, et cetera. Our focus at BVI will always be to do what's best for our customers. We think that the key to that is really listening to our customers, delivering for our patients. We pride ourselves in really bringing together some of the smartest minds across innovation, production, sales, business development into the company. And we think that bringing some of the best together, it'll really provide solutions for the marketplace and customer needs. Our keen focus really is always over the long term, seeking out the right talent that fits into our culture, and then placing our investments in areas where we see real opportunity in the marketplace. Right now, we're really focused on building a platform that can scale across numerous therapeutic areas within ophthalmology. So, for example, today, the cataract space is our largest segment. However, we've invested heavily and brought recent product launches to address needs within vitreoretinal. We'll be doing the same within glaucoma. And of course, within our core and cataract, we'll be bringing many products to market over the several coming years, both via geographic expansion of our existing products as well as new innovation into the marketplace. Where I'd really love to see us lead the ophthalmic marketplace is demonstrating how a business that's really centered on the customer need, staying agile as an organization, and bringing a real entrepreneurial mindset can drive success within the space.
And could you tell me what your perspective is on fueling the company's innovation?
Yeah, absolutely. We really think extensively about our company culture and creating an environment that can actually fuel innovation. Innovation comes in so many different forms. I think that many a times people focus on innovation as the product that you are bringing to market. But that's not really the core of innovation from our perspective. Innovation comes in so many different forms, whether it's within our supply chain, within our selling tools that our sales teams have to go to market with. Of course, product innovation, the way we interface with our customers, our order taking and processing. So innovation comes across the entire company, but that only comes from setting up a culture and a company culture that fosters that, right? And how do we do that? We bring an entrepreneurial mindset, right? The internal running joke is we are a very well capitalized but overgrown startup. That mentality as a startup company is critical in staying nimble as a business. The other mantra we really use is bureaucracy busting. It's something that, frankly, me personally gives me real pause when I see anything like that creeping into our organization, where we think that the presentation is more important than the substance in the presentation, and developing processes for the sake of processes. This bureaucracy busting mindset really creates that environment to bring in great people, give them an environment where they can really perform, and then drive innovation, as I said, in so many different channels. And we like to keep that company culture mindset top of mind at many turns. We talk about it at my leadership team frequently. We talk about it with our senior leadership group. We talk about it in our company webcasts. So we really strive to be a company that's easy to work with, nimble, agile, but is known for being smart and innovative in so many of the things we do.
Recently, BVI entered into a collaboration with Bionics. Could you tell me a bit about this?
Yeah, absolutely. It's this incredibly exciting opportunity for us to be able to partner with the Bionics team. BVI is an organization. We routinely assess internal investment opportunities as well as look external for interesting innovation and ability to partner with companies that really come with a shared mindset, that shared mindset of being entrepreneurial and committed to innovation. We consummated a great partnership with the Bionics team. This is going to allow BVI to expand its portfolio, commercializing Bionics One system in the US market initially, with potential expansion into territories outside the US as well down the road. Bionics One is it's an open, upgradable digital visualization platform. It's equipped with ultra high resolution camera. This processes and transfers digital enhanced images to a high resolution head wearable display. I mean, the technology comes out of the Israeli Defense Department and some of the jet fighter pilot technology that's used today. So there is nothing more, I would say, cutting edge than that. This system really provides surgeons with enhanced automation, programming autonomy, more freedom to set up the OR in the way that they want, and it provides an ergonomically efficient, I would say, posture for the surgeon. The system also really enables real-time decision-making, integrating various other pre-op data into the head wearable display, and then seamless integration with other devices potentially within the OR. This partnership is really a testament to BVI's commitment to innovation as an organization, and our endeavor to really bring some of the best products to market that really change the operating room for surgeons and really provide patients with incremental and beneficial outcomes. And
could you tell me what differentiates BVI from other companies in the market?
Yeah, absolutely. We are, we're a newcomer, I would say, within the space. We've really come in challenging the industry with a differentiated model of thinking for a large-scale player to bring an entrepreneurial mindset, agile decision-making, as I mentioned earlier, and focusing all of that in and around the customer, listening to the customer, and bringing products for the customer that they need, bringing an interface with the company that the customer is asking for. This internal process that we've developed, our vigilance around keeping a culture inside the company, as we talked about earlier, is an incredibly strong foundation that's positioned us for success over the long term. And we combine that with incredibly innovative products that we bring to market that enhances the outcome for patients. Within the therapeutic areas at which we focus on, we really like to build an end-to-end product portfolio. We think that's becomes more efficient for the customers to work with us on. So in any therapeutic area we choose to enter, our mindset is really creating an end-to-end product portfolio for the customers.
Do you feel that the conditions are right at the moment for BVI to lead the market and for the company to continue to innovate?
Yeah, absolutely. The demographic trends and the secular trends within the space of ophthalmology are incredibly strong. We're seeing people living longer, which leads to increased prevalence of eye disease, vision defects within that aging population. We pair that with continued increase in access to treatment. These two combined forces really propel our industry in ophthalmology forward and creates a really incredibly strong growth environment. We also believe that, through our mindset and culture as a business, the entrepreneurial spirit that we bring, the innovative products that really advance standard of care, our commitment to the needs of customers and patients are unparalleled. And we think that we've brought the right ingredients together as a business, really to continue to lead the marketplace into the future.
That's fantastic. Thank you so much for your time today. It was a pleasure talking to you.
Absolutely. Thank you for having me. It was wonderful.